You want to run a successful business? Start putting your team first. Team above clients every single time. Popular to contrary belief and understanding, I feel that the health of your business is determined by how happy people are in your company. Now, you might not be able to make everyone happy all the time, and that's okay. But on an average, the people that work with you should feel satisfied, should feel respected, should feel that they have freedom and autonomy and ownership for the work that they do. And that is really important. Does this mean you should treat your team like family? Absolutely fucking not. Because your team is not family. We make different exceptions for family. That's not what we're doing here. What we're doing here is we're providing our team with a ownership, freedom, and the responsibility that comes along with all of this. It means that we're treating them as creative partners or equalizers in our work. We're not making exceptions. We're not treating them like family. They are important, absolutely. Are they family? No. Taking care of your team simply means providing them the freedom, the autonomy, the responsibility, and clarity of expectations from the get go. That's what it means to put your team first. That's what it means to be a team player, even as maybe the boss, the founder, the manager doesn't matter. You have to be a team player. Do you know what pisses me off? When the manager or the founder or entrepreneur or whatever says that, yeah, we'll do it, we'll take care of it, we will deliver in so and so time without checking in with their team. Crazy, disrespectful. How have you become so entitled? How have you not checked in with the team and given them realistic timelines and deadlines? Because who's going to do the work? Not you. Because if you were going to do the work, you wouldn't have given them that timeline, would you? I think that is the problem, that we just simply feel like the team is there to work for us and not work with us. And that's the problem we need to solve. But let's not be naive. Just because you take care of your team doesn't always mean that they will reciprocate that back on two levels. Let me explain why. One is A, this is just a job for them. They stop working the minute they step out, and that's fair. Or two, it's just the fact that this level of autonomy, freedom, and mutual respect seems uncomfortable. Many people actually like being told what to do. Many people like being incompetent. Many people like the fact that, oh, my boss will do this, and tell me exactly what needs to be done, and I don't have to use my brains. Those are the people who need to leave, and that's fine. They can align somewhere else, not in the company that wants to give them the freedom and wants them to run freely, because proactiveness is not something that's imbibed in us. We're always told, do what you're told to do. अपने brains तो किसी को use ही नहीं करने. The success of your business is determined by your team. So why would you not put them first?